If you want to know how to speed up a clip in Premiere Pro, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll be showing you the methods you can use to speed up your video clips. Let's get into it. Okay, so first things first, we need to go ahead and open up the clips that we want to speed up. In this example, I'm using this drone shot over a city. Now there are two ways that you can speed up your clips, and I'll be showing you both methods. So if I just play this clip through to start off with, you can see it gradually zooms in to that intersection in the city. Now let's say if I want to increase the speed of this by 50%. What I need to do is right click the clip. I need to go down to speed/duration. This is going to open up the speed properties for this clip. Now I want to increase it by 50%. So all I'm going to do is type 150 into this box and hit enter on my keyboard. As you can see, it did make an alteration to that clip. So now if we play this back, you can see that it has sped the clip up a little bit. Now for method 2, I'm just going to undo what I just did there. The second way that you can speed up your clips is by using the rate stretch tool over here. You can also access this by pressing R on your keyboard. To speed up your clip using this tool, all you need to do is hover the tool over the edge of your clip like so, and just simply drag it back. By dragging it back, this will speed up the clip. Now if we play this back, you can see that it's sped up my clip. I think I may have overdone it a little bit there, but you get the idea. The benefits of using the rate stretch tool over the speed/duration property window is you can really tailor it to your specific project and you don't have to keep going back into it and entering the values. And that's all there is to speeding up your clips in Premiere Pro. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and comment your thoughts below. And for more Creative Fix tutorials, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.